Happy Friday. Hi, beautiful friends. I'm coming live here, filled with inspiration as I've just finished an amazing session with my beautiful client Tiffany in Colorado in the US on Zoom. Don't we love Zoom? I mean, it's incredible technology these days. So my heart is so full, oh my gosh, I love, 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 love my work so much. Yeah, my heart is exploding with joy to be able to hold a safe, sacred space for people to unleash and to transform and to get crystal clear epic clarity, to take inspired actions, to release the yuckiness of the conditioning and the fear and the programming, and to really embody their joy, to go for what they truly desire, to follow their soul, to follow, what is true to them. It was just amazing to see her just stepping up like next level and being open and vulnerable and transparent. I just love this transformational work. It's just so powerful. I love it. So I wanted to share that in the first place with you. And I also want to share with you that, I have myself a mentor, and I was the little girl yesterday. I was being held. I was held in a very vulnerable space where I was back in like my 4 years old little girl. And I was completely vulnerable because healing happens in spiral. Transformation happens in it's not linear. Changes are not linear. Our consciousness is is vast, is powerful. Our consciousness is we can do this quantum leap, but at the same time they are parts of us. They are old version of ourselves that are stuck sometimes in our physicality, in our body, in our mind, and we've got to do the inner work. We've got to do the inner work so that we can create what our hearts truly desires. Because we're creators. We are creator. We create in every single moment. We create. You and I create in every breath, in every thought, in every choices. We're making choices in every moment. So, it's a dance, it's a real dance, and it's like a spiral. We go up in the quantum energy and the frequency of like, whoa, we go up, we go higher, we create, we take inspired actions, we got amazing result. And so like, whoa, the spiral goes a little down, and up we face a wall, we face a fear, and we need to attend to deep care to parts of us that are not necessarily fully integrated and that are feeling deep fears, and that's okay. That's okay too. It is a dance, transformational work. But yeah, I love my work. I love it so much. And I also wanted to share with you that I'm offering an amazing workshop in person next weekend. It's coming soon. Next Sunday, 23rd of July, in person, in the flesh. We're going to play with a powerful voice activation workshop together at a beautiful, stunning studio, a yoga studio in Cronulla called Bhav, a spiritual place of transformation, of yoga, of spirituality, down south of Sydney in Cronulla, beautiful by the sea, owned by this gorgeous man, Chris Allium. Is amazing. Well, I find it so sexy. A man who's doing inner work for me is like, oh my gosh, I love it. I love it. To see the divine masculine stepping up and doing their inner work and doing what they love and following their bliss and creating a business. I think that's so delightful, sexy, juicy. I love it. Did I say I love it? I love it. And so voice activation workshop, come and play. You're going to receive so much there. We're going to play with body, with movement, with breath, with voice. I mean, it says it all, voice activation workshop. And the theme is there's two major components that you're gonna, big takeaways that you're gonna take with you. A powerful technique, a powerful tool that you'll be able to use at home for the rest of your life if you want. Using your voice to release attention, release blockages, release fears, and so freeing space, and to help you to know and speak your truth with more ease, with more grace, more effortlessly, more coming from the heart as opposed to head. Comes often we have, we hold a lot of fear in expressing our truth, whether it's vulnerable or whether it's in our power. Sometimes it happens. Hey, hello, hello. Some people are showing up. Say hello. Tell me where you're tuning in from. I'd love to know. And happy Friday. Happy Friday. Welcome, welcome. So yeah, it's going to be super fun, super elevating. It's about communication. It's about embodiment, voice activation, and know and speak your truth so that you can create what your hearts truly desire with way more ease. So it's gonna help you with your manifesting skills, with your creative skills, knowing and speaking your truth, releasing space in the voice. And it's all very playful. It's very physical. It's very experiential. And so I invite you, Voice Activation Workshop, 23rd of July, next Sunday, 2 p.m. till 4 p.m. We still got tickets for sale. I'll put the link down below. Come and join us with beautiful Chris and myself. And there's already quite a few people enrolling, so it's exciting. Get your early bird. It's going to end on Monday now. So yeah, get your special prize and come and play Voice Activation Workshop. Love to see you there. If you're in Sydney, of course, because it's in person. It's not on Zoom, that one. Have a great weekend, my beautiful friends, and thanks for watching. And yeah, let me know if you're in. Anything lands here in this conversation, in this share. Put a comment below. Any questions about the workshop, reach out, send me a DM. I'll be delighted to connect with you. And I'm offering amazing programs. So if you want to know more, I'll also put my link tree. Know what a voice tapping session, soul business transmission, amazing 6 months, 9 months program, embody your highest lucrative joy. I'm offering some epic transformational programs. So tune in, reach out, and stay tuned. Enjoy your weekend. And I'll see you at the Voice Activation if you're in Sydney, in Cronulla, next Sunday. All my love. Press the link down below. Ciao, ciao. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.